Hello and welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and proverbs from the Caribbean. Today we're going to look at proverb "Beg water, bwile cow skin." Uh, Literally, it's saying water you beg from someone isn't enough or suitable to boil cow skin. So cow skin or cow heel, that's we have that. That's a meat. That's a meat portion that we have. In a lot of times in soups, or sometimes with rice and peas, and it requires a lot of boiling to get it right. Uh, if you have the resources, you can use a pressure cooker, which helps break it down and make it suitable or edible. But in this case, in the old days, you would have to use water to boil it down. So the whole idea of this proverb is encourages self-reliance and warns about the limits of borrowed help. So that's definitely something to take into consideration when you undertake a major project. So when would someone drop this proverb? When you become too reliant on others to the point where you don't develop necessary capabilities to grow and mature, or say you take on a project and the tools aren't your own tools. You borrow somebody else's tools, but you didn't have enough native capability to fully deliver. So in a situation like that, someone can say, "Beg water, bwile cow skin." In other words, you need to go back, get your house in order, get all the necessary tools that you need so you can do the job right. So let's have a little illustration to bring this home. So here we see someone boiling some cow skin with a small little cup. So here's the interaction. Man, this thing tough, still hard. You think that little cup gonna make it soft? Beg water, bwile cow skin. All right, thank you for joining us today. And again, if these sayings or proverbs stirs up memories or interests, be sure to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll have some more for you. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful day.